Today, I'm replacing the cabin air filter on Mom's Fiat 500e. And in the end of this video, we need to blow up my old car. So stay tuned. The cabin filter is hidden behind the footwall panel. First, we need a drill with a Torx T25 bit to unscrew the panel. Grab the panel and gently pull it outward, then move it up and down. With a little effort, the panel will come right off. Question: what is the main reason some cars have an activated carbon cabin filter, while others only have a standard particulate filter? The answer is coming up later in the video, so you can pick the right one. Next, we remove the upper panel. It's held in place by 3 pop clips. Just use a flathead screwdriver to pry them out. In this video, I'm using a trim panel removal tool designed to remove the clips without damaging the panels. By the way, the proper name for these clips is plastic trim clip. If you have any questions, please comment below. Now, we need to unscrew the small lower panel using a 5.5 mm, a 1/4 inch drive, metric 6-point shallow socket. Everything we need is on the passenger side. I'll move the camera a bit closer to make it easier for you to see what we're working with. Gently push the wires aside and remove the small, elongated panel. Then, grab the cabin air filter and pull it out. Hey, I got a good one for you. Fresh air's a win, so let the likes roll in. Now, just slide the new filter in. You might have to squeeze it a little, but don't worry, it'll pop into place. Alright, here's the answer. Some cars have an activated carbon filter to remove not just particles, but also odors and harmful gases, like exhaust fumes. A standard particulate filter only captures solid particles, which is great for cleaner air, but doesn't address odors or gases. But wait, I have more important information about the cabin filter when you have picked the right one. Coming up in just a moment, we just put everything back in reverse order. Let's skip the reverse part. I'm sure you can handle it. Alright, this is also very important. Check the airflow direction on the filter. It's marked with arrows. Oh, and before you go, thanks for watching. See you next time.